Imagine two websites selling handmade jewelry. Both have stunning photography and compelling product descriptions. The first website loads instantly, smoothly scrolling through collections and snapping between product pages. The second website, it crawls. Each click brings a spinning wheel of doom, testing the patience of even the most dedicated shopper. Which website is more likely to make a sale? The answer is obvious. In today's digital world, speed is king. A fast website provides a seamless, enjoyable experience, encouraging browsing and boosting sales. A slow website, on the other hand, leads to frustration and lost customers. Think about your own online behavior. How long are you willing to wait for a page to load? If a website takes more than a few seconds, chances are you've already clicked away, searching for a faster alternative. You're not alone. Studies show that even a 1-second delay in page load time can lead to a 7% reduction in conversions. The bottom line? Site speed is not just a technical detail. It's a crucial factor that directly impacts your bottom line. In the age of instant gratification, users expect websites to load quickly. A slow-loading website creates a negative user experience, leading to frustration and a higher bounce rate. When visitors abandon your site due to slow loading times, you lose potential customers and revenue. Think about the last time you encountered a slow website. Did you stick around and wait for it to load, or did you get impatient and navigate away? Most likely you chose the latter. People are busy and their attention spans are short. If your website doesn't load quickly, they'll find another one that does. Fast-loading websites, on the other hand, keep users engaged. They provide a smooth and enjoyable browsing experience, encouraging visitors to explore more pages and spend more time on your site. This increased engagement can lead to higher conversion rates, as users are more likely to convert when they have a positive experience. Remember, your website is often the first point of contact between your business and potential customers. A fast website creates a positive first impression, while a slow website sends visitors running for the hills. Not only do fast websites make users happy, but they also make Google happy. Site speed is a crucial ranking factor for search engines. Google wants to deliver the best possible experience to its users, and that means directing them to websites that load quickly. When Google crawls and indexes websites, it takes site speed into account. Websites that load quickly are rewarded with higher rankings, while slow websites are penalized. This means that by improving your site speed, you can improve your website's visibility in search results, attracting more organic traffic. Think of it this way: Google is like a digital librarian, organizing the vast library of the internet. When users search for information, Google wants to direct them to the most relevant and accessible books on the shelves. A fast website is like a well-organized, easily readable book, while a slow website is like a dusty, disorganized tome that's difficult to navigate. Improving your website's speed is not just about technical optimization, it's about making your website more accessible and user-friendly for both search engines and human visitors. How do you know if your website is fast enough? And if it's not, how can you identify areas for improvement? Thankfully, there are a number of free tools available that can help you measure your website's speed and pinpoint areas that need attention. Google Page Speed Insights. This tool analyzes your website's content and provides recommendations for improving its speed. It scores your site on a scale of 0 to 100, with a higher score indicating better performance. GT Metrics is another popular tool that provides detailed insights into your website's loading performance. It breaks down the loading process into individual components, allowing you to see exactly what's slowing your site down. Lighthouse, developed by Google. Lighthouse is an open-source tool that audits your website on various performance metrics, including speed, accessibility, and SEO. It provides a comprehensive report with actionable insights for improvement. By using these tools, you can gain valuable insights into your website's performance and identify areas where optimization is needed. Section 5. Image optimization, shrinking your way to success. One of the biggest culprits of slow loading times is large image files. High-resolution images might look stunning, but they can significantly increase page weight, leading to longer loading times. The good news is that there are simple ways to reduce image file sizes without sacrificing quality. Choose the right file format. Different image formats have different compression capabilities. JPEG is generally best for photographs, while PNG is suitable for images with transparency. Compress your images. Use image compression tools to reduce file size without noticeable quality loss. Popular options include TinyPN and Image Optim. Resize images appropriately. Don't upload a 2 MB image when a 500 KB image will suffice. Resize images to the dimensions they'll be displayed on your website. By optimizing your images, you can significantly reduce page load times, improving user experience and boosting your website's speed score. Section 6. Content Delivery Networks, bringing data closer. Imagine your website's data as a package that needs to be delivered to users around the world. A content delivery network, or CDN, acts like a global network of shipping centers, storing copies of your website's data in multiple locations. When a user requests your website, the CDN delivers the data from the server closest to their location, reducing the distance the data has to travel and resulting in faster loading times. Think of it like ordering a product online. If the product is shipped from a warehouse across the country, it will take longer to arrive than if it's shipped from a warehouse in your city. CDNs work in a similar way, ensuring that your website's data is delivered to users as quickly as possible. Section 7. Minimizing HTTP requests. Streamlining the process. Every time a user visits your website, their browser sends requests to your server to download the necessary files, such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images. Each of these requests adds to the overall loading time of your website. By minimizing the number of HTTP requests, you can streamline the loading process and improve your website's speed. Combine files. Combine multiple CSS files into one file and multiple JavaScript files into one file. This reduces the number of requests the browser needs to make. Use CSS sprites. Combine multiple images into one image file and use CSS to display only the desired sections. This reduces the number of image requests. By reducing the number of HTTP requests, you're essentially reducing the number of trips the browser needs to make to fetch all the necessary files for your website. This streamlined process results in a faster and more efficient loading experience. Section 8. Caching. Remembering for a faster experience. Caching is like having a photographic memory for website data. When a user visits your website for the first time, their browser stores certain files, such as images, CSS, and JavaScript, in its cache. The next time the user visits your website, their browser can load these files from its cache instead of downloading them again from the server. This significantly reduces loading times, especially for repeat visitors. Think of it like visiting a friend's house for the first time. You might need directions to find their place. The next time you visit, you'll likely remember the way and get there faster. Caching works in a similar way, allowing browsers to access frequently used website data more quickly. Section 9. Code optimization, cleaning up for speed. Just like a messy room can slow you down, cluttered and inefficient, code can slow down your website. Code optimization involves cleaning up your website's code to make it more efficient and reduce its file size. This includes minifying code, removing unnecessary characters such as spaces and line breaks from your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Using asynchronous loading JavaScript files asynchronously so they don't block the rendering of the page. By optimizing your website's code, you're essentially giving it a performance boost, making it leaner, faster, and more efficient. Section 10. Mobile First, catering to the small screen. With more and more users accessing the internet on their mobile devices, it's crucial to ensure that your website is optimized for the small screen. Mobile-first design means designing your website for mobile devices first, and then scaling up for larger screens. This ensures that your website loads quickly and provides a seamless experience on all devices. Think of it like packing a suitcase. If you pack for a long trip first, you can easily remove items to make your suitcase smaller for a shorter trip. Mobile-first design follows a similar principle, ensuring that your website's core content and functionality are accessible on all devices. Section 11. The finish line conversions, SEO, and a brighter future. In the fast-paced world of online business, site speed is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Faster websites lead to happier users, higher conversions, and improved SEO. By investing in site speed optimization, you're investing in the future of your online presence. You're making a commitment to providing a seamless and enjoyable user experience, attracting more visitors, and converting them into loyal customers. Remember, a faster website is a win-win for everyone. It makes your visitors happy, it makes Google happy, and most importantly, it makes your business grow. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on boosting your online presence.